It is something most of us hadn't heard of for years now.
But now whooping cough is back, and Dr. Pastor is here to explain from Dean Clinic. So what is this cough?
Well, whooping cough is pertussis, and it's a bacterial disease. And interestingly, in the 1970s, there were about 1,000 cases in the U.S. And last year, or the year before last, there were 25,000 cases in the U.S. Whooping cough is on the rise, and it's the only infectious disease. Measles, mumps, German measles, those are all pretty much gone. Not completely, but whooping cough has been increasing every year, and the only reservoir for whooping cough is humans. Direct transmission from one to another, and it's because some people have the disease and they transmit it to other people.
And there's a certain sound to the cough.
There is. What happens is the incubation period is about 7 to 10 days, although it can be as long as 6 weeks in some cases. And it starts out with a regular kind of upper respiratory infection, kind of funky nose, sore throat, and then you start coughing, and the children who get it, they will cough so hard that they go, and then they have to, the whoop is, I have to take a deep breath. And the coughing can last for 3 to 4 weeks, and it's awful. It's the worst, of course, in young children and in old people. And in infants, if they get it, they can actually become apneic, meaning that they actually stop breathing. So it is a very, very serious disease.
But there is a vaccine for it. There's the
absolutely.
DTaP.
DTaP. So DTaP is diphtheria, tetanus, and basically pertussis, called the acellular vaccine. The vaccine does not confer lifelong immunity. Polio vaccines are pretty much, for most of us, lifelong immunity. But this vaccine, you have to be revaccinated every 10 years, roughly. And the reason that we have whooping cough even around is a lot of adults, a lot of adolescents are not revaccinated every 10 years, and that's why it's still around. I mean, from 1,000 cases to 25,000 documented cases, that's a huge rise. It's on the rise, and it's a serious problem.
Oh my goodness! So that's why it's spreading, because we're not getting the vaccine.
Adults, not children.
No, not kids.
You know, moms with kids are pretty good. Go into school, get your kid vaccinated, but adults simply aren't going in and getting the vaccine. Now, there is a treatment. Antibiotics work. They cut short the cough, but the cough for many people, even if they get antibiotics afterwards, can last 4 to 6 weeks. And I've had adult patients with it. So I think the bottom line is, get vaccinated. As an adult, it's important to talk to your physician and say, hey, am I up to date on my shots? And adults don't think about shots as being important. And flu season kind of, you know, I think with flu season upon us, it's a good time to think about other shots that we need. Pneumonia shot is also a good example. People may get it before they're 65, they need it after 65. Call your doctor. That's important.
Seeing my doctor today, as a matter of fact. Getting my shots.
And did you know, are you up to date on your shots?
Yeah, I'm going to ask about that. This whooping cough. I thought it was for
you may
kids,
be up to date.
You know?
It's not for kids. It's for you. It's for you.
All right.
So,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
All right. We'll be right back.